You thought you were riding the trend, only to get caught in a reversal and stopped out. Sound familiar? There's a buzz going around about a new hybrid indicator that combines RSI and T3, reportedly generating a staggering 1,778% profit. Is it true? We put it to the test. Traditional indicators like moving averages or RSI tend to lag in trending markets and give false signals in ranging ones. To solve these problems, a new strategy has emerged, the RSI Adaptive T3. As the name suggests, its key feature is adaptability to market conditions. Indicator settings. The charting platform used is TradingView, the currency pair BTC-US timeframe 30-minute chart. An average line powered by RSI? Here's the evolved T3, explained in 60 seconds. It's a next-gen trend line that morphs with the rhythm of the market. Introducing RSI Adaptive T3. This indicator combines T3, a 6-stage smoothed moving average, with RSI to dynamically adjust its responsiveness. When RSI is low, it shortens the period to react faster. When RSI is high, it lengthens the period for smoother transitions. In short, it's a flexible line that adapts to trend momentum and volatility. It also features built-in bands. These bands expand automatically based on market volatility. The T3 line turns blue when rising and orange when falling. At crossover points, you'll see markers signaling potential trend reversals. With just this one tool, you get instant insight into trend direction, momentum, and turning points. To use it on TradingView, follow these steps. 1. In the indicator search bar, type RSI Adaptive T3. 2. Select the one created by ChartPrime. 3. Once added to your chart, you can fine-tune the volume factor and colors to your preference. The RSI Adaptive T3 is a next-gen indicator that unifies trend analysis with visualized volatility. If you're curious to try it, drop a comment saying, "I'm in." Want to catch the calm before the explosion? Here's your guide to the squeeze momentum indicator. If you want to spot the stillness just before the market moves, this is the one. Have you added the squeeze momentum indicator yet? Its mechanism is simple. When a black X appears, the market is building pressure. This is the squeeze phase. When it turns gray, the squeeze is released, which means it's time to prepare for an entry. If the histogram is above the baseline, go long. If it's below, go short. Here's how to set it up on TradingView. 1. In the indicator search bar, type Squeeze Momentum Indicator Lazy Bear. 2. Select the version created by Lazy Bear. 3. In the settings, change the BB length to 27. This adjustment gives you a more stable squeeze detection. Squeeze setups are perfect for visualizing breakout timing, and just one setting tweak can significantly boost its accuracy. If you're ready to try it out, drop a comment saying, "I'm using the squeeze." Strategy overview. There are 3 conditions for a long entry. 1. The T3 line has turned upward. 2. Momentum is rising. 3. The squeeze has just been released. When all 3 align, it's a signal to enter a long position. Stop loss and take profit. If the short entry conditions appear, you immediately reverse the position and go short. The short entry strategy follows the same logic. 1. The T3 line has turned downward. 2. Momentum is falling. 3. The squeeze has just been released. When these 3 conditions are met, it's time to enter a short position. Stop loss and take profit. If the long entry conditions appear, you reverse the trade and switch to a buy. RSI Adaptive T3 plus Squeeze Momentum Strategy. Backtest results. This strategy combines the adaptive power of the RSI-based T3 moving average with the breakout detection of the squeeze momentum indicator. It's a hybrid approach that blends trend following and breakout timing, aptly named the RSI Adaptive T3 plus Squeeze Momentum Strategy. Backtest period from January 1st, 2024 to July 3rd, 2025. A total of 181 trades were executed. The performance was evaluated with a focus on both long and short trade behavior. Let's break down the key backtest results. Net profit, $53,353.59. That's a remarkable plus 1,778.45% return. Max drawdown, minus $7,297.47, equating equivalent to a minus 50.75% decline. Win rate 47.51%. Total trades 181. Average profit per trade $294.77. Average winning trade $1,206.49. Average losing trade minus $530.57. Payoff ratio 2.274. Each winning trade made about 2.27 times more than each losing one. Profit factor 2.059. This means for every dollar risked, the return was over $2. Sharp rate 0.598. Sortino ratio 7.219, indicating strong profitability with well-managed risk. Biggest winning trade $9,672.64. Biggest losing trade minus $3,027.50. For context, simply holding Bitcoin, buy and hold, during the same period would have returned only $4,472.58. Clearly, this strategy delivered far superior returns. The strategy performs especially well on long trades, with a win rate of 54.44%, a payoff ratio of 2.51710, and a profit factor of 3.008. Its Sortino ratio of 7.219 also highlights strong downside protection, showing that it handles market drops effectively. Of course, there are still some challenges. The overall win rate is only average, suggesting a need for additional filters to improve precision. On the short side, performance is less reliable. Win rate of 40.66% and a profit factor of 1.36. Drawdowns are more significant, with a maximum loss of $3,027.50, revealing some extreme scenarios. Potential improvements include independently optimizing short side conditions and supplementing them with alternative indicators, designing dynamic take profit and stop loss levels that adjust based on market volatility, adding filters such as ADX or CCI to refine entries around breakout points, introducing trailing stops to reduce drawdowns and lock in profits more effectively. In summary, the RSI Adaptive T3 plus squeeze momentum strategy is a solid trend-following approach with high payoff and profit factor. It shows particular strength on the long side, shining in breakout-driven markets. Looking ahead, by enhancing risk management and improving short-side performance, this strategy has strong potential to achieve greater stability and profitability.